how to use Sweat Wallet app. So the first step is to simply download the Sweat Wallet app from Google Play or App Store, which is completely free. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app, and then you're gonna have to use your main Sweatcoin account to log in. And basically here you can store your sweat coins, you can transfer them, and as you can see you can even stack them. So as you can see in the Sweat Wallet, stake your sweat in grow jars to earn a percentage return and rewards. You can also send these to your friends. So if you want, you can basically exchange different points with your friends. As you can see here, you're gonna see all the progress, and as you can see they're called, this cryptocurrency is called Sweat. So basically you can exchange your sweat coins to this crypto which is called Sweat, and with this crypto you can basically buy stuff. So basically this is how you can use the Sweat Wallet app. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.